Craftsman Automation Q3 FY26 results, profit surge, margin expansion or 1000 crore rupees capex signal strong momentum. Craftsman Automation reported a strong top-line performance in Q3 FY26, with consolidated revenue from operations rising to 2057 crore रुपए compared to 1576 crore रुपए in Q3 FY25, reflecting robust year-on-year growth driven by sustained demand across automotive and industrial segments. The growth was supported by healthy performance across core verticals, with the aluminium product segment contributing 120 crore rupees to standalone revenue, while the powertrain segment continued to remain a key pillar of the company's business, benefiting from improved volumes and operating efficiency. While revenue growth remained strong, the highlight of the quarter was the sharp improvement in profitability, as EBITDA margins expanded by 260 basis points to 15.2%. This margin expansion indicates strong operating leverage, better capacity utilization and improved cost control across manufacturing operations. The bottom line growth significantly outpaced revenue growth, with net profit rising sharply to 107 crore rupees in Q3 FY26. This reflects the company's successful execution of turnaround initiatives, particularly in previously underperforming assets, and stabilization of newer manufacturing facilities. Craftsman Automation's Q3 performance also exceeded market expectations, with revenue coming in around 3.6% higher than analyst estimates of 1985 crore rupees. Net profit delivered a much stronger surprise, beating consensus estimates of 84 crore rupees by over 27%, reinforcing confidence in the earnings recovery trajectory. EBITDA margins of 15.2% were also well ahead of analyst expectations of 13.8%, reflecting superior operational execution and faster than expected normalization of margins across key segments, especially in aluminium and powertrain components. Alongside the strong financial performance, the board of directors approved the setting up of a new manufacturing facility in Ludhiana, Punjab. This expansion aligns with the company's broader capital expenditure guidance of approximately 1000 crore rupees for FY26, aimed at strengthening production capacity and meeting rising demand from automotive and industrial customers. The planned capex underscores management's confidence in medium-term demand visibility and positions the company to capitalize on growth opportunities arising from domestic manufacturing, localization trends and recovery in auto volumes. On the regulatory front, the company disclosed a GST appellate order upholding a total liability of 19.25 crore rupees, including tax and penalty, for the period from free 18 to free 24. While this remains a short-term overhang, the amount is manageable relative to the company's scale and profitability. From an investor perspective, analysts continue to maintain a positive outlook on the stock, with a majority retaining a buy rating. Key factors supporting this view include the turnaround of the Sunbeam acquisition, stabilization of greenfield projects, and sustained margin expansion. Overall, Craftsman Automation's Q3 FY26 performance reflects a strong combination of revenue growth, operational leverage, improving margins, and strategic capacity expansion. If execution remains on track and demand conditions stay supportive, the company appears well positioned for sustained earnings growth over the coming years. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.